Alright, today we got our first ambient air cleaner with needlepoint bipolar ionization to help kill viruses and pathogens and molds. So this one's going into a chiropractic office. It's our first one, so to kind of walk you through what's in it. This one we've mounted on the wall, so easy, just mounted to the studs and sat up on top of the brackets with a couple of fasteners there. Filters for this are pretty easy. We start with a box HEPA filter, goes in first. Then there is another filter that goes behind it, which is a MERV 15 filter, and then a pad filter for a pre-filter, which is washable. Installation of these filters is pretty simple. The first one we have is our HEPA filter. It just pushes in the seal side toward the blower, and then simple bar that goes on there that has thumb screws, which will pressurize that seal and seat it nicely against there. All right, next we have our MERV 15 filter that goes in. Just to give you an idea, it's kind of a multiple bag filter that goes in right after the HEPA filter, and this just seats right in at the edge here, nice and easy. And then we follow that up by the pad filter that goes in last. So installation complete. The machine is running at just a variable speed. To set it, the larger the room, the higher you want your volume. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet, easy to talk over. Not much at all to worry about as far as that goes.